Clearing the CAT exam is the dream of many. It opens the door to the top B schools and almost guarantees a secure and glorious future. The stories of people who crack CAT and those who exit the B schools with astronomical packages is covered extensively by the media. Naturally, there is a lot of hype around this exam. People who crack CAT are considered no less than rock stars, and we all aspire to be one of them someday. But CAT is also one of the most feared exams, especially by the non-engineering, non-math students like me. A lot of us give half-hearted efforts toward CAT preparation because we believe it's an exam for the geniuses, the toppers and the math experts. A lot of people don't even attempt CAT because of their maths phobia. Now this video is not going to give you any assurances or motivation that you can do it. Or CAT is easy, because honestly, I have no idea about this exam. I am one of those who have always dreamed about cracking the CAT exam but also feared it. I have always wanted to attempt CAT but was held back due to my maths phobia. My knowledge about maths is really poor. So poor, in fact, that I scored a 0 in first semester business maths exam. CAT exam tests maths up to a level of class 10th. Now, I have studied maths only till class 8th, and even there I'm a bit fuzzy about a lot of basic concepts. It's safe to say that at this moment I know almost nothing about maths. Absolute zero. I have no idea of algebra, trigonometry, and geometry. I have a faint memory of doing arithmetic problems of percentages, profit and loss, time, speed and distance, etc. Terms like quadratic equations give me anxiety. And what the hell is even modern maths? I swear I never heard about modern math until a few days ago when I decided that I want to appear for CAT 2021. Apparently, it turns out modern maths consists of topics like probability, permutation and combination, set theory, etc. So, if a person like me wants to crack CAT in 9 months, he definitely needs to do a lot of work. I am going to start from scratch at level 0 and hopefully in 9 months I can cover the entire ground and reach a reasonable level of competence to score at least 95 percentile, if not more. The first thing I need to do is to brush up on the fundamentals of math. This will be the foundation on which the entire structure of my quant preparation will be built. I have decided not to go for expensive CAT coaching and instead use books and free resources available on the internet. Luckily today there are a lot of excellent resources if you want to learn anything on the internet. You can use Khan Academy, Patrick GMT, or numerous free videos on YouTube to prepare the quant section. I'm going to use Krista King's Master the Fundamentals of Math course, which is available on Udemy. Krista King is one of the popular math teachers on the internet, and her course covers a lot of basic topics in a short amount of time. If you want to purchase this course, I would suggest waiting for a Udemy sale when you can get this course for around 350 rupees. Now, quantitative aptitude is not the only section in the CAT. There are two other sections, verbal ability and reading comprehension, and logical reasoning and data interpretation. These sections are equally important and I need to start preparing for them at some point of time. But for the moment, I just want to focus on the quant section, which has been one of my biggest fears. Now let's talk about the purpose of this video. I want to document my journey of CAT preparation. I want to record my steps, frustrations, moments of accomplishments, and share on this channel. I don't know whether I will succeed in my endeavor or my plans will crumble on the ground, but I want to share everything with you guys. In the coming weeks, I will update you guys about my preparations and every bit of information related to CAT and management colleges. If like me, you want to give CAT but fear the quant section, let's start together. I know nothing about CAT or how difficult it will be, but I know one thing. By taking tiny steps, we can achieve even the most difficult goals. Don't worry if you think you know nothing about maths. Start with the basics and see how it goes. Quantitative aptitude may seem like an extremely tough section, but you don't need to master the entire math syllabus, especially if you are targeting 95 percentile or less. For example, the 2020 CAT paper had 26 questions in the quant section, and to score 95 percentile, you only need to get 11 questions correct. You would have easily scored 90 percentile by getting 10 questions right. Since not every question in the CAT paper is of high difficulty level, it shouldn't be too difficult to get 10 out of 26 questions correct. Of course, you need to know how to select questions and which questions to attempt and which to leave, but that comes with regular and consistent practice. So, if you want to give CAT, do not wait. Let's start together and crack this beast together. Share your goals and current preparation level in the comments, introduce yourself, and let's make 2021 the best year of our life. Thanks for watching.